As a leader in frictionless commerce, Pivotree designs, builds, and manages digital platforms for commerce, data management, and supply chain for over 250 major retail, branded manufacturers, and distributors globally. Our digital solutions, along with managed and professional services, provide enterprise customers with a frictionless end-to-end formula to support and manage complex digital commerce platforms.
The first problem that we identified was consent and trade management. The problem is around denied party lists in trade embargo countries. We were able to automate the flow between checking somebody whether or not they're on that denied party list. If they came back and the denied party check was cleared, they would move onwards towards sales, marketing, and shipping and handling. And if they came back as a denied party user, we would cancel the transaction immediately, send a note to that particular email address on file, and follow up automatically with the seller. So what you're going to see here is our third-party seller management product that we built for one of our large retail customers here in North America. They needed to bring third-party sellers into their ecosystem and expand how many products they had, how many SKUs they could offer their customers without flooding the balance sheet. So what we did is that we engineered a product for them that allowed for this to happen. And we've had incredible results of over 23,000 SKUs added to the website in e-commerce, over 202 vendors, over 200 additional orders per day that actually accounted for $10 million of additional online revenue.
Supply chain costs account for about 12% of total business spend right now. And over the last 12 months, they've grown by 12%. Brands are very publicly struggling with visibility, availability, and execution problems that hit their bottom lines. So the question is, how does Pivotree help with these problems?
Pivotree WMS can greatly improve the warehouse process and operation, deliver even greater savings to our target market. Our product platform is a unique blend of modern technology, open architecture, and rich functionality. The application has been serving for more than 2 decades, and many of these customers who are using the application are Fortune 100 companies, and they're shipping tens and millions of parcels a year.
The Digital Solutions Group, we're thinking about ways to build new products and services, drive more recurring revenue for our business, and we take those products and services to market through our business.
Reliability is part of our next generation of managed support services, which we've designed with customers that are running SaaS commerce platforms in mind. That these brands lack the ability to detect, diagnose, and resolve performance issues on their site, and those performance issues have a direct impact on their top line revenue. So what we've done is we've designed a package that leverages 24/7 digital monitoring to track the behavior of all customers on the site, as well as the performance that they perceive from the website. And then we also leverage AI-driven anomaly detection to quickly determine when there's a degradation in that performance, and then we have a team that can step in and help resolve. What that allows us to do is provide up to a 90% reduction in the time it takes to resolve revenue impacting issues, and therefore saving revenue and reputation for our customers.
Companies who conduct business online are under a constant threat of a data breach. At Pivotree, we believe that we assembled the right people, technology, and process to reduce the risk of data breach at a lower cost.
This table shows 16 threats were detected in this very focused period of roughly 30 minutes. Fortunately, we're leveraging machine power to quickly detect, investigate, and actively mitigate threats. In this example, we automatically quarantine a threat in less than 1/10 of a second.
Billions of dollars in revenue get lost due to having less or no visibility into your transaction. 2 engineered products from Pivotree Connect, which is our integration solution, and Control Tower, which is an observability layer, working in combination to help our customer retrieve that lost revenue. Pivotree Control Tower is a unified dashboard that provides global analytics and near real-time observability into customer commerce ecosystem. Pivotree Connect to a deeper level into the Control Tower system, where we can capture, report on real-time order flowing between third-party partner systems.
at Pivotree, what we have evolved into is a product that is data as a service. Organizations are no longer asking themselves, should we monetize our data? And it's now turned into how. How do we monetize our data? We have built a 100% self-built IP turnkey solution for our customers.
First, we will show you an automated data onboarding and enrichment service, which allows customers to build out structured data from an unstructured sources. They're manual, human written, they're not following any structure. The request from the customer was to extract 15 different attributes from those documents to enrich the current data. By leveraging machine learning, I'm going to show you how easily we were able to extract that data out of those documents and be ready in a matter of minutes rather than hours and days and months. I want to showcase an extraction of the data directly from an image. So I'm going to just grab this image out of my laptop here, and image is ready to go. It is start giving me all the attributes that is related to this image. This is clothing, apparel, and sweatshirt. And at the same time, it's giving me the confidence level and accuracy levels as well, that it's 99.98% clothing. So now, with all this raw information and attributes that are categorized and ready to be mapped, I'm going to show you the data visualization platform. With this tool, we can see the entire data model directly in the single pane of glass, and customer can drill down into specific product information and look at the SKU information and all the information related to individual product data. By leveraging technology and our industry expertise, we're able to get the product to the market at much faster rate.
We believe we're living in an age where every buyer expects consistent experiences that meet their own personal expectations. Pivotree is investing in and accelerating this new era of frictionless commerce with digital solutions that help companies apply this thinking holistically throughout their entire value chain.